Checking out this really nice pair of cooking shears. For great reviews about these. I wanted to check them out. So if we open it up, comes along with a leather pouch to keep it in. They come with a couple of different colors of the handles. They're aluminum. Got a microfiber cloth for cleaning. So if we squeeze down the grip a little bit, it'll release the lock. We can pull it back, open it up. These are spring loaded. They don't have complete wraparound, so they're really ergonomic and they're easy to grab onto. But they do have a bit of a shape here, so they're really easy to hold onto. Going in here, oh, this is a serrated edge here, very nice. Kind of a blunt but still effective, useful tip there. And this curve is going to be great for bones and skin, that kind of thing. Nice cutting, great shape. I'm really looking forward to how well this is going to work. I think that's going to give a really good cut. And then when you go to clean it and put it away, you've got that lock. This is a really nice set. It's very lightweight. These grips or handles are aluminum. I guess if you wanted to carry it for fishing or something, you've got this. If you're going to have it in with your other tools, it'll keep it protected and nice. Easy to open up that lock. Looks like the lock stays pretty good where it's supposed to, out of the way. Yep, definitely looking forward to using these. I'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out. I hope this helps.